What's up guys, today my name is Tafais and today we are playing Top Pista, but when really am I? Why do I look like this? I need to buy ducks. Ducks, help me. Oh, thank you. It's all a bit. I don't know what this is. Oh, I'm here. Give me some bait. Are we supposed to touch the players? No problem. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Oh. Now what? What in the world? Oh no. Oh no, oh no, I'm trapped. Ah! It's burning hot. Now you're back. Press the button. Wait, what's this? I'm blue, cheese. Okay. Go! Alright, wait, is this wrong? I think it's wrong. Wait, roll it back. No. Oh, he actually saw. Huh? I'm gonna go there first. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, where am I? Why am I here? Wait, is this another Don't Press the Button? Oh, this is a different stage. Oh! What is that? Oh, I got it. What is that? Yay! Am I gonna press the button? Me. Where am I? Oh, I gotta go back. It's my turn to press the button. Wow. Okay. Whoa. What in the world? No. That. Hey, yo, wait, that's wrong, boy. Still here, no it's not up. Do this better for that. Oh man! I'm in with Up. Oh, what's this? Wait, what's that mean? Oh! Oh no, I can't be that. To go, bro. No! defeat me. I'm too bomb. Yeah. I think I'm going to survive. Yeah, I'm your best survivor. I want to press the button. Hey, yo, wait. I'm gonna order to. Yeah, I'm gonna serve it to this pizza. Whoa, where am I? You make the button mad. No. I'm out here. I want to make this button all smack. Yeah, do you see me? Yeah. Oh, there's a cat. Come on, 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 come on.